My name is Bobby Graham. I own Northwest Roots Construction, and we're based in Central Washington. Working very hard, trying to do the best thing that we can out there, but fundamentally not doing it correctly was just causing all kinds of burnout for me. We were having to go chase projects that we didn't necessarily want to do. So it was just, I was pretty frustrated. I was pretty down on what we were doing, but I saw a great opportunity, and Aspire ended up being that catalyst for us to move forward. So, this is going to sound cheesy, but this program really has, turned our business in a 180-degree direction, as well as it's changed our personal lives as well too, which is great. So I would say, without a doubt, respond to that email, pick up the phone, and at least give the initial assessment a try to see where you stand and what the truth is about kind of where you stand today, and hear about what the potential could be for the future. Just seeing the reality of the data that I had and some quick, easy tools that was going to help uplift that, it was easy for me to justify that cost.